Hi, I'm Russ. I'm the maker of Zipchat, and I'm super duper excited to show you what Zipchat can do for your e-commerce store. Zipchat offers the easiest way to create an AI agent for an online store. Let's do one together. All I need to do is I need to input my store URL, and we can create an agent super easily, super fast. I have my own demo Shopify store called Russ One Snowboards, but we also support all kind of other platforms and custom platforms. Now, to do this, all I need to do is input my store URL. And what Zipchat is going to do is going to connect, in that case, to my Shopify store, and also going to open my store online, and it's going to start learning. It's going to start looking at the pages on the store. It's going to look at internals, and it's going to build this comprehensive knowledge base of what my store does and what my brand stands for. And it's super quick. In my case, especially that now I have a very small amount of products, you can see it's already done. And our agent already ready to start talking to our customers. So let's try it. I can click on test chat and it's already welcoming me, and I can say, hey, do you have snowboards? And some of the popular models are some of my products. But then I can start asking stuff that are related to my brand, but are not entirely in the website. So I'm going to ask, what's the difference between a rocker and a camber board? And you can see Zipchat leverages all the world's information in the context of your store, like a skilled clerk would do, right? So this, again, is not in my knowledge base. This is not on the website, but Zipchat already knows what we're talking about. And it's giving me this general information in the context of selling me a board. Now, if I ask about something that is not related to the store, it's not going to answer. So this is not ChatGPT. I can ask, what do you think about Trump? And you can see it's going to decline politely because, again, Zipchat has the primary purpose of helping your customers on your brand. It's not going to talk about competitors. It's not going to talk about all random stuff. And it's not supposed to do anything that's outside of helping customers buy your products or assisting them with their order. Now, I can refresh that. And if we go to the AI training tab, you can see it already indexed my website. But this is just the starting point. So what I can do is I can add more information that is not on my website and is not generally available. To do this, I can click add a new source, and we support a variety of different sources. We can have a single page, you can import a whole website, we can import a sitemap if you have a sitemap with pages, you can have a list of links. If you do Google shopping, you can import all of your products and have a Google merchant feed, PDF documents, or you can just write stuff. So I can say delivery to Bulgaria, for example, and I can say delivery to Bulgaria is 5 days. And now this is going to be saved, and Zipchat is going to know this. On top of that, if somebody talks to Zipchat or I talk to Zipchat and I don't like the answer, what we can do is create corrections. So basically do a trial and error for Zipchat to remember. The way that works is, let's say, that's a question like that. Let's say France. I don't have any delivery information on my website. So it's probably going to tell me it doesn't know, right? So it's telling me I can see Bulgaria is 5 days, but France, I have no idea. And now I can either add information, but sometimes you just want to correct how it's answering. And to do this, I can create a correction. And I can say, whenever somebody asks this question, I want you to answer in that specific way. So I can say, delivery to France is 2 days, we use only DHL, and we use drone deliveries. Let's do this. So Zipchat is going to remember this. And now, every time somebody asks a similar question, not the exact question, but a similar question, Zipchat is going to look at this and is going to use it as a basis to its answers. I'm not going to ask the same thing. I'm going to ask, do you deliver to France, which is a bit different. And you can see it's saying what I told it, right? It takes 2 days. It uses drone delivery, etc. And that way you can teach Zipchat over time, and Zipchat is going to become better. And on top of everything else, we also give you access to the prompting of this agent. So you can change how it behaves totally. For example, I can tell Zipchat to first qualify the user before it's actually start offering products. So I can say, before recommending a support, ask the customer if they are a man or a woman, their height and their skill level, and what type of writing they want to do. Something like this, right? So we want to qualify the user so we know what kind of board to offer to them. I can save this. So now if I ask the same question, you can recommend me as a word. You can see it's gonna it's gonna first ask me about all these stuff that I added in instructions before it recommends something. And you can use the custom instructions to do a lot of things. You can connect it with different tools and like abilities that Zipchat has. For example, if somebody wants to cancel their order, forward the request. I'm gonna show you what this is in the future. Or you can just do fun stuff like set this emoji or whatever. It's up to you. And we have some examples here of how to do it.